Hello Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. It's John, and welcome to another review with me. Today I am at Wendy's. I'm going to try a new sandwich that just came out today. As I'm recording this today, who knows if it'll be today as you're watching it. Probably not. But anyway, this is their new avocado spicy chicken sandwich. And I'm not sure if that's the real name of it, but I will know the name of it by the time I make the title, so you'll find out and be able to find it accurately. Anyway, on this is, of course, a chicken sandwich. This is the spicy crispy chicken sandwich. They do offer it on the regular crispy and the grilled chicken, but I got the spicy one. And of course, it comes with the shiny bun that everything at Wendy's now comes on. We have a spicy aioli with a tomato. Tomato, though it's sliced thin, does look pretty good. A nice crispy chunk of lettuce there. Then you have your bacon avocado. That's a pepper jack cheese and your spicy chicken. And I dropped another piece of bacon with avocado, and luckily landed right on my knee, and the avocado stuck it there like glue. But now I have an avocado-y guacamole knee. Anyway, let's put the sandwich back together so I don't get any more bacon guacamole on my knee. Let's go ahead and taste the sandwich. Here we go. Okay, this sandwich has plenty of crunch, plenty of spicy kick to it. It's not one of those overly spicy sandwiches that's gonna blow you out of your seat or anything, but the flavor is there, the spice is there. It says spicy, it is spicy. As always, the Wendy's bacon is thick, has a nice crunch to it, nice salty taste. Then the thing on this one that makes it special is that guacamole. It's nice, a cool, very mellow flavor to it. Just gives it a nice contrast to that crunchy, salty spiciness that's everywhere else. Then you just get this flavor of cool, mellow guacamole. Overall, this is a really good sandwich. This was $8 and change for the combo. I don't recall off the top of my head how much the sandwich was by itself. This is definitely a good sandwich. I would give that a 9.3 out of 10. Just nothing too bad about it. It's a little expensive, but kind of expected it to be. They also have this new drink. This is a limeade. They're adding it onto their fresh lemonade and their strawberry lemonade choices. Pretty good. You can feel that there's a little pulp in there, so that either lets you know or at least tricks you into thinking that there's actually some real lime in here. It's just on the verge of being too sweet, but I think it's still in the bearably sweet area, which doesn't overpower the tartness of the lime. You can really taste that this is lime, not lemonade. They're similar flavors, but they have some distinctions to them, and definitely you can tell this is lime, not lemon. It's cool and refreshing. Definitely a nice summery drink. I could see getting this and adding like some white liquor to it, and maybe a white rum, a vodka, a tequila, some nice neutral spirit. Making it a little like a Moscow Mule or a margarita type beverage out of it, if you do that sort of thing. But it's a good drink. I'm gonna give the drink an 8 out of 10. And that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it was informational. I do recommend that you go out and try the sandwich, the avocado bacon spicy chicken crispy thing at Wendy's. And until next time, see you later, guys. Bye.